Hello and welcome back to my channel Thai Adventure and Investment. Before I begin, I'll take a few seconds in memory of the late Queen Mother. Today we are going to discuss about Thailand entry rules for tourists. You may have come across conflicting reports in the media that visitors and tourists are being denied entry into Thailand. Now, what I want to mention here is that if you are a genuine tourist coming here for tourism, you have nothing to worry about. Enjoy your stay while you are in Thailand. But there are certain things that you have to keep in mind, and there are some rules, entry rules that you must be aware of. As a visitor, it is your responsibility to be aware of these rules. The first rule is that you must have enough funds to support your stay during Thailand. Secondly, you must have confirmed itinerary and an outbound ticket. Third, you are allowed to come to Thailand visa exempt for 60 days twice in a calendar year. This visa exempt is applicable to 93 countries. So these 93 citizens of these 93 countries can visit Thailand for 60 days at a time. And when you come to the border checkpoint, immigration will stamp a 60-day entry in your passport. But recently, Thai immigration and Thai authorities are clamping down on visitors and tourists who abuse the system. A lot of tourists who come here for tourism later decide that they want to live here and work here, and what they do is they go out of the country and within 2 or 3 days try to return into the country. This has been overlooked by immigration for a long period of time, but due to recent conflicts with Cambodia, scams and online scams that's been happening in Thailand, Thai authorities and immigration have decided to strictly enforce the rules. So if you are not able to satisfy immigration at the border checkpoint, you may be denied entry. Now, this also depends on a case-by-case basis. Some of the tourists, they get a tourist visa from Thai embassy or consulate abroad. The thing that you have to remember here is that although you may have a visa to come to Thailand, the sole authority that decides whether you will be allowed to enter Thailand is the immigration officer at the border checkpoint. So even if you have a tourist visa and you are unable to satisfy the immigration officer at the border checkpoint, you may be denied entry. Again, this all depends on case-by-case basis, and there may have been certain instances where visitors have been denied entry. There could be a number of reasons, but if you are a genuine visitor, I don't think you should be concerned too much about it. You have your passport, you have your hotel stay booked, and you have your outward flight booked. If you show all that to the officer, I don't think there is any reason to be concerned about. The only time that you may have a little bit of a problem is that there are some tourists who like to move from place to place and they don't really know where they want to be next day. So for example, you come to Bangkok and after 2 days you want to go to Chiang Mai, and after 3 days you want to go to Phuket, and after that you want to go to Koh Samui, and really you haven't booked the hotels. You are just planning to go to these places and book the hotels while you are there. That's all very well, but remember, immigration might ask you questions about this, and if you can show the immigration officer that your purpose of travel is genuine tourism and that you have an outward ticket booked, and you are going to go back to your country of origin, you shouldn't have any problems. If you like my videos, please click on the like and subscribe button.